Hello, guys. Welcome to a new episode of Secret Niches. And let's dive fast into it. Secret Niches.
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, guys, I got this weird niche with 243 results. I think it's a niche that will spike up because of the No Kings protests that are coming, but I think it's safe because it's not violent. In fact, it's very peaceful. The text says peaceful, and the design is unpaid peaceful protester. It's a joke because I think it's an inside joke because every time some political site casts many protesters, they say more than half are paid. Okay, so it's a joke when you go to a protest, perhaps in the USA, that said as unpaid peaceful protester. Okay, the SRs are awesomely good. For example, this first one, 100,000, that is very good. The next one, 200, 300,000. This is new, February 36, new. With the frog, I think you can use several animal icons from this protest. Okay, the SRs are very good, and I think they will spike up, and competition is very low. Okay, get into it. First, research, of course, it has copyright or anything that can get you in trouble with your account, but I think at first glance that is safe. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I got this Pali Jesus mean kind of niche with very low competition, 147 results. It's very new, and it's the Jesus with pickable. If you've been on Merch on Demand for a while, you know that Jesus with memes and funny memes generally sells very well. Okay, I don't know for sure the origin of this, but I'm pretty sure it's safe. Okay, so BSR are low, not so low, but I think they will get better in time soon. Check out, because March 15, 2026 was the upload 4 days ago. This was uploaded 2 days ago and already sold. Okay, here for tools a different type. You can with your gems, or this be a different style. Kind of weird the hands, but I don't know. Use your weapons and try to make a different design. Okay, example like this or like this. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I had this low competition niche of 481 results. I think it's a hunting niche. Perhaps in the USA, hunting now is it's a high season of hunters. Okay, and it's this phrase, bad day to be a Jake. This is the best-selling design. A Jake, I think is bird like a turkey. I'm not American, so I don't know, but I think Jake is the nickname or the slang name for turkey. I don't know. You can tell me in the comments. And if you see results, the DSRs are very good. And all these designs have been uploaded this week. Okay, or last week. All are new and all are selling. Okay, in terms of design, they are very similar. Like one color design over a gray t-shirt. Here's a different one, more psychedelic. Search for a way to differentiate yourself, and you can have some sales. Okay, this is more like a tattoo. Okay, secret niche.
Secret niche number 4.
For the fourth niche, I got this funny motorcycle design that has only 700 results. Below 1000 is very good, and the DSR are very good. If you see also, this was uploaded last week, results of last week, or and all selling. And this is the prices. I love one gume and several motorcycles. If you have a lot of slots, you can scale this up and put, for example, a dog, one gume, and several cars, and several, I don't know, ships, several airplanes, and several, etc. You know what I mean? Because it's very funny. The fact that you love one, but you can love several other motorcycles. Okay? Secret niche.
Secret niche number 5.
For the fifth and last niche, I have this weird niche with only almost 600 results. That is, gingers are people too. I really don't know where this comes from. Perhaps it's risky. I would recommend you to search, because I couldn't find anything. But if you wanna be 100% sure, search yourself, okay? Gingers are people too. I don't think that is that offensive. It's kind of funny, more sarcastic. But you decide, you upload, okay? The SR are very good. And of course, they are all new uploaded. I found, well, this is old, but almost all are new. Okay, this is new, and they are all similar with the ginger tool character. Okay, perhaps you can make it a different way. This I like this style, like a retro. Okay, secret niches. And I got also in the fifth niche a bonus niche, because I made it to 1000 subscribers. So I'm kind of happy. And I take this niche. It has 114 results. It's a famous friend, the raccoon, with the glasses and the iced coffee. But now they're putting him in a baseball court. Okay. I think because baseball season in America is starting spike, and perhaps this design is gonna start trending because of that, of the baseball season. And they added the text, "I live here now," like he's staying forever in the baseball court. Okay, here's a different one. Here's a one with a goose. I think you can use a frog, I don't know, a bunny, a possum, a rat. You know the game. Okay, it's a different design with the trendy checkered 3-panel design. You can use the raccoon eating taco, ramen, etc. Use your weapons. This is another way, kind of like airish. Okay, this is a bonus niche. I don't know, selling a lot because so fresh, but perhaps because of the raccoon trend on baseball, I think it has the potential to spike. Okay, hope you like this new video. I'm working on new videos of different techniques, of gems, and finding niches. I always read your comments, so please leave them below, and your suggestions, I love it, or anything you want. I will read them all and try to answer. Okay, see you in the next one. Secret niches.